Neuheisel has his Arizona Hotshots back at home, back at Sun Devil Stadium for the first time since week 1 tonight. It is now week 4 of the Alliance of American Football. Last week, Sims did throw for 328 yards, and he starts by handing it to Denard Robinson, and he gets good yardage over the left side. Let's give him 14, and Robert Nelson, the corner.
Like what they did on early downs.
So 15 yards officially on first down, and Malachi Jones gets it on the second play of the game, and Malachi Jones has room down the right sideline. 2 plays, 2 first downs for Atlanta.
You know, Sean, when we talked to Matt, he talked about Malachi Jones and his ability to run after the catch and big physical player, and you see on the replay there what he does.
The first 2 plays of the game, 2 big explosive plays.
2 plays, and they're inside the 30 from the 27. And again, it's going to be Denard Robinson. And he's going to get close to 10. We could have 3 plays and 3 first downs. Eric Dargan from Oregon, the safety. It's a 2nd and 8. Look out, Matt Sims. He got drilled. That ball is out. Fight for it. And it's Arizona's football. Sims never saw the blitz. Will Sutton, the former Sun Devil, falls on it.
All right, you're going to see the left guard right here. He gets beat right away. Inside, Sims feels that, but off the edge, nobody even blocked.
He's wearing 84. He is in motion. Murray sets up the screen. That's a first down. That's even more for Fulston. Inside the red zone and inside the 10 before finally Dargan runs him out of bounds.
Now, Sean, I love these plays.
Yeah, nice little screen
I
play.
know, as a former offensive lineman, anytime you can take a little juice out of that defensive line and have a big play like this.
This looks like a Rams special right here. LA Rams ran this a lot with Todd Gurley. Here you see the hit on Aaron Murray. And did a great job. Look at the big fella out in front. You know, you run the play action like 7th round. Never latched on.
They're going to go for it. Up the middle. Pittman denied.
You know, you're holding that backside defensive end with that quarterback fake.
Even on that play clock, they snap it at 19, and Presley, as they go tempo.
Double teams in the middle there, Sean. I know that got you excited.
Absolutely.
There's the first time Rashad Ross gets the football to 3rd drive of the game for Atlanta. Aaron Murray with a play fake, a deep drop, and then a completion to Bug Howard down the sideline, and Raheem Moore is going to throw him out of bounds, but not before another big gain and another big passing play.
You see the setup here. You see the basically an 7-man protection, opportunity to drop back off the play action.
We believe bleeding as he went to the locker room. There's Rashad Ross. Nowhere to go.
Okay,
Don't do
Rashad.
that.
Okay.
Don't do that. Rashad Ross loses the football as Reynolds gets him by the heels.
We got a safety there, man.
In the end zone. That's got to be a safety. Waiting for the signal. Reynolds says safety.
Again, you know, Rashad Ross, he's got to understand where he is on the field. And don't make a bad play worse, Sean.
Yeah, I mean, I get you're trying to make a big play for your team, but absolutely, just get a couple of yards and go down.
Really on the field as the runner was down in the end zone. Results of the play as a safety.
Nice job by Coach Louis Chofe's legend defense. Coach Coyle, Coach Chofe,
Leaves, and Murray is back. Aaron Murray has some time to throw. There's a laser to the sideline, and it is caught by Malachi Jones.
Well, we got to be impressed tonight with Aaron Murray's ability to throw the football outside the boundaries, outside the numbers, and put the ball, stick the ball in the boundary. Great.
With the play clock at 0, they let him play. Murray looking right. Murray complete. It's Phillips again, and he breaks loose. Irvin Phillips has a first down.
Got to like the spark Aaron Murray is giving them in the offense, being able to move in the pocket, find the open receiver, and Phillips great run after the catch.
Yeah, I'm with you, Andrew. It looked like the play clock was down to 0, but they get it off. Just a 3-man rush, so plenty of time. You see the running back there helping out, and Aaron Murray, little scramble drill. It's so hard to cover for that long when the quarterback.
And again, if it's man-to-man, take the shallow coming across zone. He's going to work front side there.
Younghoe Koo is perfect this year. It's a fake. Koo, nowhere. Sterling Moore throws him down. What are you doing? Scooby Wright as well.
Again, great job, the Hotshots defense. doing a nice job staying sound, making the play.
Younghoe Koo had been 6 for 6.
Do they just not like field goals?
They don't take the points. It is a 2-0 game. It looked good at first.
Wrong way.
That last Atlanta drive took 6:09, and they got nothing out of it. Nice cutback by Presley. Presley has a first down at the 30. Presley still moving at the 40, and run out of bounds near midfield by Reynolds.
Yeah, a great job again on the RPO. You can see John Wolford's eyes when he comes out of the huddle as he's looking and reading the defense. That defensive end, number 91, comes up the field to him. He gives the ball to Presley, and he just winds his way back, rides that wave back.
2nd and 9, gain of 1. Radcliffe has some.
Oh.
Radcliffe goes airborne and gets a first down. Carl Bradford dragged him down after Brandon Radcliffe went wheels up.
75, you're going to see the guard right here. He's going to pull out over here, block the defensive end, and look at this leap.
With the bandage on it. Now on the 41-yard line, inside of 5 to go in the second quarter. Murray on the keeper with a blocker.
Oh, great
Aaron
job.
Murray has 20 down the sideline, and he got a big block from Tobridge, his tight end.
Well, this is one of the things that happens. The quarterback changed, and now the Hotshots are seeing a more mobile quarterback, and he's taking real advantage of this. Coming out here with a lead blocker, doing a nice job.
Keith Tobridge.
See if Arizona can get the ball back before the half. Murray pressured. Murray complete. Tobridge, a first down.
Competitive. And you realize, man, this really is about winning and losing.
Murray complete. Justin Thomas, nice move on Moore. Thomas to the 11. Aaron Murray from the 9 has Shontavious Jones to his left. The pitch to Robinson. Denard Robinson, get in there!
Sean O'Hara, you called it. You said they had to run better. You said they had to run better in the red zone.
Yeah, the speed option, I love it. All right, quick little pitch right here to the running back, but watch this block right out here by the wide receiver in space. That's what springs this. The speed option, look at that stock block right there.
I've seen one redheaded quarterback run that play.
The obligatory 2-point conversion now. 1 on the play clock. They get it off. Murray. Ball knocked out of the line.
But Murray caught it.
Get it again.
You can't have
you
two
can't
forward
throw
passes.
it twice, though.
A couple other guys to injury.
They go 3 wide and out of the gun on 3rd and 9. Under a minute to go. Check down to Presley. He has the first down. And he runs out of bounds with 54 on the clock. 29 now on the clock. Arizona 1 timeout. Wolford leaves his feet to throw. Over the middle. Is it caught? Looks like it. Josh Huff. They say he caught it.
I don't understand why the clock stopped. Okay, they used their last time out
This is their
there.
third. 30 seconds.
And Ross to the left. From the 15. Look out. Ball out. And it's picked up by Stockton. And then Stockton slides down. They can't stop the clock now. They're going to have to spike it. Under 10. Rhinos, go! And they clock it at 4. Number Vikings, the holder, puts it down. And Folk puts it through the uprights. And Arizona is on the board.
Here now.
Need the 35. Wolford lofting over the middle, and Ross comes back for it. That's caught on the 47 and a first down. Says the coach. Another 3rd down. 3rd and 4. Wolford caught. Huff. First down. Injury on the opening drive to his right hand. Murray hit in the face as he throws. No flag. Folston brings it in, puts his hand down, and Murray moving, keeping his eyes downfield. He's going to run, and he dives, and he may have it. He has a team-high 45 yards, got 5 there. Folston out of 1 tackle. Folston has a first down, lowers his shoulder to go through Dargan. 8-yard field goal try. He is perfect on the season. And still is. And the first time since week 1. Down the sideline. There he is. There's Rashad Ross for the first down.
All right, again, that ball looks like it's coming out funny. It's fluttering a little bit, but a nice play by Rashad Ross reacting to the ball. Coach does a good job getting that toe drag swag down.
Nice job. John Wolford again recognizing tonight.
Yeah, it's not easy to slide as a guard out to the outside of the tackle.
This is a 40-yard field goal try, and it is no good. Nick Folk missed it to the right.
And then you're blocking your guy. He bats the ball down. You're running the sideline, and you're like we're saying,
Get your hands
down.
He didn't rush.
Yeah.
Cameron Nizelek, who got hit on his plant leg earlier, is back for another punt. And Dion Holloman fields this. Holloman with some room to
Look
run.
out.
Holloman, the 40. Holloman still on his feet somehow. Midfield. Dion Holloman back across the 45. 2nd and 5. They're at the 20. Wolford goes end zone. Ross. Does he have the feet down? He does. Touchdown.
Rashad Ross strikes again. Let's see the dance. What's he got for us? Okay.
What do you call that?
No idea.
I don't know, but you better hurry. It's time for the 2
They call that
point.
the race shot. Oh, Wolford, here's that RPO. I mean, look, he came up ready to throw, and I tell you what, the back looked fine on that throw.
No, I think, you know who knows all about
The threat quarterback, so.
They line up with Presley behind Wolford in the pistol. Need the 2 to tie. Wolford pulls it back. Wolford has it, and we are tied. It is Marquise Bundy.
Corner's playing off.
Radcliffe. Big hole.
All you got to do is hit it down the middle of the fairway.
Out of the Nizelek hold, Young Wei Koo is good.
You may have to take that middle throw if they're taking the outside throw away from you.
We can't let him down the middle still, Sean. We don't want to keep it out in the middle of the field.
We need the Atlanta 45 to keep it alive. Go! Wolford with protection. Wolford knocked down. Incomplete. And that's it. He wanted Duarte. Reynolds appears hurt. Reynolds on the coverage. 17 seconds left, and Atlanta looks like it has its first win. Takes over on down.